Hey y'all, it's TT Lavish, and today I'm going to show you how to revive your stale, crunchy weaves. I've done a video like this before, but you guys requested me to go into depth in a certain step of this process. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 wigs for you guys. I'm steaming them with silicone mix. This is going to get your hair silky and luxurious again. It's going to have you back popping, okay? Silky, silky hair. Love, love. That we all love. We know we have that wig that we love so much, but we just worn it out and it's just not looking the same. We need that wig looking silky, okay? I do this on all my wigs and it has me slaying them for years. Today we're gonna use 2 things, pretty cheap as well. We're gonna use silicone mix, the Bambu kind. A lot of people complain the other one smells like rodent spray or I don't even know what, but we don't use that one. I use the Bambu one. And then we're gonna need a steamer. You can make this up from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're like $20. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. These wigs have been boxed up. I got these stalest wigs I can find. I pulled these bad boys out the inventory, okay? And we're gonna bring them back to life. Watch and see. So this wig is not too bad. It's just really stale and needs a nice refresh to have it silky. But this one, on the other hand, it doesn't look that bad. But child, the tangles in this wig is crazy. Like, it's, oh my gosh, ugh, it's bad. She need a full rehabilitation. Like, baby needs some milk. She's giving me Medusa slept without her bonnet. I don't know how she got matted up like this. Don't ask me, because I don't know. But it's disrespectful, and we're going to get her together. If you can't get all the knots out, you know they formed a relationship with your wig and they not letting go. Don't even worry about it. When you get to the silicone mix part, all the knots will come out. My hair. Oh, this my girl. I wore her the whole summer. She need to go in the trash for real. But I love her. Like, sis is a look. And we gonna fix her. Right now, she giving, you know, a little fried chicken and barbecue sauce. You heard me. But very soon, we'll have her giving, you know, a little Reese's the world, okay? My sister is gonna kill me for using her brush. I'm sorry, Nori.
My head's fucked up.
I put oil on the roots, hair bond glue. So I put glue remover on the roots for that lace glue, and then I'm washing all the wigs with laundry detergent. Laundry detergent, because I like how it cuts through the grease product and leaves your hair nice and soft and silky. And then I also add any shampoo that's lying around the house. I always, for years, I've been washing my hair with detergent. That's just, I like how it comes out when you wash it with detergent. So I've just been doing that. This one is blonde, so I'm using some blonde shampoo. And definitely with this dry hair, some detergent. Alright, so this one, now that the hair is clean and product free, the silicone mix is going to get all up in those hair strands and coat the hair, leaving with a nice, shiny, silky, and smooth wig. So finally, what y'all have been waiting for, I got the silicone mix in the hair. The hair is coated in silicone mix and brushed out. My steamer's going, and I'm just gonna steam the hair. You want to make sure that you are getting underneath the nape of the neck and the ends. If you want to maintain a tighter curl pattern, you want to scrunch the hair before you steam. I don't really want the curl pattern because I usually wear this hair like flat ironed and curled, so I don't really need the curl pattern. So I'm not gonna scrunch it. And just steam. And you could steam the hair for like up to 30 minutes. I don't have the time for that, so I usually just steam the hair for like 10 minutes max. That's usually what I get to. But you could steam it for up to 20-30 minutes. Once the hair is finished steaming, you can cover it up with a plastic bag, with a shower cap, plastic bag, and do not touch it. You can cover it up, you can leave it out, but whatever you do, don't touch it, don't mess with the hair. Let it sit until it's nice and cool. Once the hair is no longer warm to the touch, it's cooled off, you can rinse it with some water just like you're rinsing out some conditioner. Just an obvious safety warning, guys. This steam is very, very hot. Please be careful with your fingers. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know I burnt my tatas with a steamer. So please just be very, very careful. You know we love curly hair, but curly hair loves to get super matted. We love a curly hair until it starts looking like that. Okay? We're just gonna fix her up same way we always do. Silicone mix will take the knots right out. And I already tried to detangle with regular conditioner, so you can see the difference. That silicone mix already without even steaming it yet. But the steaming is what really makes a huge difference. Look, I want y'all to see that. Just with the silicone mix already, like, this was matted 2 seconds ago. And then scrunch it, because the steam will loosen your curls, and we don't really want to do that. Like, do y'all see that? If I didn't have this method, I would be cutting the wig off right now. Rinse it just like we did as if it was regular conditioner with lukewarm water. So, see how silky that hair is? So silky. It's like butter. Here we can see, even though the hair is not perfect, with no product, it's still now smoother and softer and shinier. So much more silkiness and movement. It's wonderful, darling. On this wig, the results aren't drastically showing up on the camera, but honey, the smoothness, it's so much softer. I can run my fingers through with no tangles. Before, I was trying to brush it, I would literally finish detangling and it would still be super tangled. So the smoothness, yes. With absolutely no product in the hair, the curls are back super soft, super curly, and delightful. I want to put some water on that part of the hair that's sticking up just to lay it down some, but I just wanted to show you guys there's absolutely no product in the water. It's pure water. But do y'all see that? Y'all see that? Like, whew, this hair is flowing. It was not even, we was having grown-up fun in this wig, and it still brought it right back like I got out the package. Straight out them Indian temples. That's how that hair is looking. Yes. Okay. Like always, I hope you guys learned so much. Do this to your hair. Send me pics if you want to, if you've revived it. I want to see these silky wigs, okay? Go ahead and pull that nappy little wig out your closet. I got some links below with the silicone mix and the steamer for you guys to pick it up and revive that wig that's sitting in the back of your closet from way back when. Bring it back, honey. Bring it back. It's going to get a new life. New life, new looks, new lace. Like always, the earrings are from 11th Karma. A link will be down below for you guys to check out the site. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and poppin'. Get you a nice wrap going. I don't do that. Snatch you, Hunty. I'm sorry.